Think your home value is safe? Think again. Here are 8 unexpected factors that might be pulling it down. Hi, I'm Steve Jolly from Home Buying Skills. Your home value is plummeting, but why? How do nearby foreclosures or short sales impact my home's value? Nearby foreclosures can affect property values in a variety of ways. First, they typically are priced lower and sell for less. And this leads to comparable homes that have lower sales prices, potentially skewing the value of nearby homes. Foreclosures are often not well maintained and can detract from the overall appearance of the neighborhood. This decrease in curb appeal can leave a bad first impression when people drive through your neighborhood, lowering the desire for people living in your area. If there are a high number of foreclosures in one area, it can affect the supply of homes, driving down prices if it doesn't keep up with demand. And a large number of foreclosures in one area can negate buyer confidence in that area, potentially leading them to look elsewhere or expect lower prices. How can I accurately assess the impact of location on my home's value? Now, location plays a crucial role in the value of your property and is one of the leading reasons why people buy a home. That's why when you ask your real estate professional to cite the 3 most important factors that impact home value, they will often say location, location, and location. Now, the location of a home is directly tied to a variety of factors that, when added up, have a bigger impact on price. We will talk about these various factors more in a minute. Now, if you have a question, leave them below in the comments and I'll answer every one. Now, what strategies can I use to mitigate potential value decreases in a challenging market? One of the best strategies is to buy right to begin with. Getting the best deal you can get on a property in a popular location will go a long way to protect your equity if the economy were to take a turn. This is especially true if you have to rent the home or sell the home in the middle of a challenging market. Other things that you can do to protect your home include keeping the property maintained and enhancing the curb appeal. Nothing kills the value of your home faster than if it appears to need maintenance or the curb appeal is lacking. Now, if you want a free report on your current home value, click on the link in the comments. Okay, so it's not just your neighbors. Let's get closer to home on this. What types of home renovations offer the best return on investment? The 3 areas of a home that can give you the best return on your investment are the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the exterior of the home. People spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and it's an important place where the whole family gathers for meals and holidays. This should be your first priority. Primary bath is another priority because people also spend much time here to unwind and relax. Feeling comfortable and pampered in the primary bathroom is so important to buyers that it helps prop up the value of your home. And the exterior of your home is the part that most people see most often. Therefore, people want to feel good about the way their home looks to their neighbors. It's a huge sense of pride, and it's hard to quantify, but easy to fix. Curb appeal is where you'll get the biggest bang for your buck. Now, this doesn't mean that you need a full kitchen and bath renovation to maximize the value of your home. Get the advice of your real estate professional, and they should be able to lead you in the right direction. Now, if you need help choosing materials and colors, your agent should be able to help provide this service, and many interior designers are glad to help you choose the items for a small fee. Now, if you found this helpful, click on the like button to let us know you enjoyed it. Now, what are the risks and benefits of buying a home in an HOA community regarding property value? The benefits of living in a neighborhood with a strong HOA is that you'll have a minimum standards for the quality of upkeep and materials used on the exterior of the home. There will be more uniformity with the appearance of the neighborhood, and many people desire the aesthetics that this offers. One of the downsides to an HOA are the rules and regulations. If there's a particular rule that you don't like, it's going to be difficult to get your way if you want to make a change. If you're the type of person who doesn't like others in your business and telling you what to do, a neighborhood with an HOA may not be right for you. Another risk is if the HOA doesn't do its job to enforce the rules that it has in place. This might be good if you're the rule breaker, but often it's your neighbors who are breaking the rules and potentially damaging the value of your home. Always read and understand the rules before you buy. Understand that they can change at any time, and look for neighborhoods with strong management and financials. What should I consider before making major renovations to avoid overcapitalization? One of the most common mistakes people make is over-improving their home for the neighborhood. The last thing you want for appreciation is having the most expensive home in the neighborhood. That's because the value of the surrounding homes will be a drag on the appreciation of your home. You can also do that on a smaller scale by going way overboard on the kitchen or primary bathroom. It's easy to spend a whole lot of money in these rooms, so you need to be careful. For example, if you spend $200,000 renovating your kitchen into one fit for a gourmet chef in a neighborhood of homes that have basic ones, you'll likely have trouble finding a buyer that's willing to pay what you have invested. They're going to love your kitchen, but they won't be willing to spend an extra $200,000 for it. If you need a trusted agent anywhere in the country, click on the link in the comments. Now, this next part is crucial. Can the presence of undesirable elements like high traffic areas or industrial developments nearby decrease property value? Just as popular amenities help to improve the price of a home, the presence of undesirable elements is going to be a drag on the price of your home. If someone can spend a little more to avoid the traffic or the constant noise of planes flying overhead, they will see it as money well spent. Now, do yourself a favor, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss an episode. How does the proximity to amenities like parks or schools influence my home's resale value? First, being close to popular amenities like shopping centers, parks, restaurants, and recreation facilities is a significant draw for many buyers, especially as traffic conditions continue to get worse each and every year. Your location is often tied to a school district, and districts with the highest performing schools tend to have the highest values and the most desirability. Proximity to job opportunities and the stability of the economy in any area is another positive indicator of home values. Safety and crime rates in your area is important to many buyers too. There are several other factors tied to your location that'll help it to have the most dramatic effect on the value of your home. Now that's it for today. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing now.